Unit 25. Unit 25. The keywords near, far away, near, far away. Mango, near, far, bird. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? So in the picture, you can see a dog, you can see a bird, you can see a tree. Now you can see some grasses on the ground as well. Okay, now let's come to the passage. This is a mango tree. This is a mango tree. A dog is near the tree. A dog is near the tree. It is not far from the tree. It is not far from the tree. A bird is flying. So this is the bird flying. This is the dog under the tree or near the tree. Okay, so a bird is flying. It is far away from the tree. So the bird is far away from the tree, at least farther than the dog. Do you see? Okay. The bird is far away. Is the dog far away? Is the dog far away? No. It's Yes. No, it is not far away. Is the bird near the tree? No, it is not near the tree, because the bird is far away. It is not near the tree. So page 25.